In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a ClickUp project management dashboard. This powerful tool is a highly customizable, real-time reporting feature, specifically designed to provide you with a comprehensive overview of your projects and team performance. Think of it as your central command center, where you can visualize all your data across the entire workspace without having to jump between different lists, folders, and tasks. To start building your ClickUp project management dashboard, first navigate to the space, folder, or list where you want this dashboard to exist. Once you're there, look towards the top of the screen at your viewing options. You should notice a small plus sign next to the word View. Go ahead and click that. This action opens up a menu of different view options. From those choices, you're going to select Dashboard. Then, choose Project Management from the available templates. Now, here's where the magic happens. ClickUp has efficiently organized a template for you, complete with various widgets and cards that are tailored for effective project management. This serves as your starter kit to ensure you are equipped with essential tools for tracking and managing your projects. But of course, everyone's needs can be a little different, so personalizing this space is crucial to optimize it for your specific workflow. If you find that certain elements aren't quite right for your needs, customizing is simple. You can delete existing cards or add new ones. To do this, navigate to the top right portion of your screen and click on Add Card. This will open up a range of card types on the left side of the screen. Simply browse through these options and select the ones that best fit your requirements. Whether you need to include a task list, a chart, or any other data visualization, you'll be able to find it here. And that's essentially all there is to setting up a ClickUp project management dashboard. It's a straightforward process, but ensures you have a comprehensive tool that is both flexible and robust to monitor your team's progress effectively. By making the most of these capabilities, you can streamline your workflow, keep track of your tasks, and enhance overall productivity. Thank you for joining us today, and I hope this guide has been helpful for you in setting up a ClickUp project management dashboard. Stay tuned for more tutorials like this one, where we dive deeper into optimizing your project management experience.